It's 5 a.m. and this is where the real change happens. Not when it's convenient, not when I feel like it, but when I show up anyway. I'm on a fat loss journey right now, focused on building lean muscle, lowering my body fat, and creating a slim, strong physique that feels good to live in. This morning starts with the glute-focused leg day, followed by a 50-gram protein breakfast, my current supplements, and my favorite coffee recipe that keeps me going. This is what discipline looks like. This is my real morning routine. That was a lot. I don't know what just happened. Really quickly, before we get into today's vlog, I want to introduce you guys into some new favorite jewelry of mine. I'm obsessed and I just want to share it with you guys because I feel like it's special to me. If you've been following me on Instagram or TikTok, you may have noticed this necklace I've been wearing for the past few weeks. I love it. First and foremost, can we all just say it for the 1,000th million bajillion time? Kaylah loves dainty jewelry. Now, this necklace, I love a necklace to wear every single day, but I also love, in particular, short necklaces. Like, I don't know, I just like my necklaces to like be short and fitted, and I don't know, I just like that, how it's just like a little pop of daintiness. Here's the necklace, very dainty, very minimal, and she's rose gold and she's just perfect. This is from a brand called Black by Blue Brave, and I honestly did not expect to love it as much as I do. I was thoroughly surprised. It's just one of those pieces that go with everything. I never take it off. I love having like a little pop of cute little necklace while I'm working out, just to always have. And it obviously layers well with all my other jewelry when I do want to layer and stack, because you guys know I do that all the time. The finish is 18 karat rose gold, and they mix in ceramic material, which makes it feel really smooth and refined. It looks luxe but perfect for everyday wear. Now, what I love about this necklace so much is that I love the way it adjusts. It's not your typical clasp necklace, so basically you can make it as long or as short as you like it. I remember when I first took it out the packaging, I literally squealed because I was like, oh my gosh, finally. Because a lot of the times I feel like when I order a necklace and I ask for like the smallest length, it's still longer than what I want it. Like, I want my necklace to sit like high, and you know what I mean? So I love it's easy to put on and just literally just slide it over your head, and look, it's really long. But then once I pull and adjust the chain, I can make it as short as I want, and she stays. I'm obsessed. I love this so much. Then there's their watch from their Cherry Blossom collection. I wanted to keep it in its case because it's so pretty and it's baby pink, but it's like a little watch case. It snap opens, so you open it. I'm gonna be using this just for like my everyday jewelry, like my rings and stuff, just to keep it in here, and it's also perfect for travel. I love this. It's honestly the most unique watch I've ever seen. The hands are actually shaped like hollow cherry blossom petals, so as time passes by, you see different angles of the petals across the dial. It's so cool. It's such a small detail, but once you notice it, like, you can't stop looking at it. I think it's beautiful, and it's that same pink rose gold family. The dial is actually mother of pearl, so it has this soft glow in the light that makes it feel really elegant and feminine. I think she's absolutely beautiful. And I love how the band is pretty thin as well. It's just a nice everyday watch. And I got out of my comfort zone because I was actually looking at the white one, and I was like, no, I want to do all things pink. And I think it's so cute. It's just perfect. And I got the smallest face and the smallest band just because I have very small wrists. And what I thought was really beautiful is the inspiration behind this design. It's actually inspired by the sakura blossoms in Amori, Japan. Cherry blossoms actually symbolize romance and purity. And actually the cherry blossom shaped watch hands are trademarked by the brand because the design is completely original to them. Like, isn't that cool? It's literally authentic. You won't catch this in anywhere else, any other brand. So it just feels like you're wearing something that has a story behind it, and I love that. It's not just something pretty. I have a son right now, and I just feel like one day I will have a daughter, and this is like something that will be nice to pass down to my daughter, you know, or my niece. If you love everyday jewelry like I do, pieces you don't have to think about but that make you feel styled, you would really like this collection. I'll have the Cherry Blossom collection in particular linked in the description box, along with a discount code for you guys. All right, now let's get into today's vlog.
my guitar, it lets her town. I drew my heart and let her walk. But I felt things were better now. I belong in your arms. Got a paper cup full of wine. I play the Charles Bridge on the side, with your hand resting under mine. Hope I'm not so out of line. Your point of view, different taste. Walking slow, bumpy pace. Cause you know we can fall in love, this moment's all it takes. Autumn leaves falling down, suddenly it's over now. But you know we'll fall in slowly. You take my breath away between the sheets. My body's weak when you're around, and I don't know how you do. Can you play the tunes we used to? Just stop the time and listen, babe. Live high, fly to the moon. Take a second, rewrite the stars. Be my sweetheart, you're ever glowing, babe. Can you feel my love from afar? Now I'm back, see the New York sign. Body numb, just passing time. But I keep my head up high. All my friends tell me I'll be fine. It's too late to stumble now. Tune into the little sounds. But you know we'll fall in slowly. You take my breath away between the sheets. My body's weak when you're around, and I don't know how you do. Can you play the tunes we used to? Just stop the time and listen, babe. Live high, fly to the moon. Take a second, rewrite the stars. Be my sweetheart, you're ever glowing, babe. Can you feel my love from afar? Live high, fly to the moon. Take a second.
Hi guys. How are ya? I'm so sore. Oh my gosh. How are you? We are at Nani's house. I am making my tea. I'm steeping some green tea right now because I'm tired, and honestly my stomach feels so tight and like it hurts. And it's 11:36, so I'm about to start the vibes anyways. You guys know I'm gonna have my green tea. At home I have my dandelion root tea. I got my bone broth, all the things. I'm gonna drink this first. So that's the vibe. My sister's coming over too. My mom and my sister are off this week, off from work, so we are over here today.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yeah, he did.
Did you have one? No.
Yeah. I had mommy bunch of snacks. This morning, came home and I walked. So I got my steps in. We hit our goal, and I'm excited. My body's so sore. I need to stretch. I wanted to go sit in the sauna after, but I was like, let me just go home because I'm prioritizing my walk. So I knew I was coming over here today, so I was more so focused on getting my walk done before like Kai got up for the day and everything. So it will just make it easier for us to get over here as soon as we can. I actually put coffee in this. I am not a Washington Commanders fan. I am a Dallas Cowboys fan. This is the only thing I was able to bring. So I brewed coffee, like I made coffee from the coffee pot at home to bring over. My mom has a Keurig, but I'm just not a Keurig fan. It's just not, I need my coffee to like, and I guess maybe the pods that you have, I don't know. But I feel like Keurig's more like watered down and stuff. So I just brought my coffee over. And then I have my cashew milk and my creamer and everything. So we'll make that together. But in the meantime, I'm about to just like, I'm just excited to be here to just chill. That's what we're doing. We're just chilling today. I did bring over my laptop because I want to start editing a vlog. The last one you guys saw. Or maybe not the last one you guys saw. I'm ahead of the game. I have it's like a locking in before the new year vlog, which I would like to get out before the new year, obviously. Or I guess like locking in for 2026. I don't know. And then after that, I have a what I eat in a day, and then this is a new vlog. So we are just vlogging it up, babes. Oh, I have water to finish drinking. Bottle number 2, all done. Hi. You want to say hi to the vlog? Okay. You don't want to say hi right now?
That's toy race car.
That is a toy race car.
Say hi for toy race car.
Hi, toy race car.
He wants to enjoy fast.
Yeah. I'm actually tired right now, so I'm ready to eat so that I can drink my coffee. Thank you, boo. I love it. Hi, toy race car.
Hold it.
He wants me to play it.
Let's go. Oh, boy. Woo! Fun?
Yeah, you do it. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm Kayla, by the way. Should have been said that. Thank you for being here. I love you. Huh?
I don't want to play.
Okay, you don't have to. Look at those cute legs. Look at those cute legs. Look at those cute legs. I need to stretch, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh. I need to find like some sort of like stretching video. But these hamstrings, my abs are so sore. I've been doing like this like little ab workout at home. And then obviously solid core, which was so hard. I'm about to drink my tea and then take my vitamins. So tired, but we love a good 5 a.m. morning, you know? They're our favorite.
You got granola?
No, I don't eat granola. I didn't realize I had a whole like unopened container of L-glutamine, so I'm excited because I'm gonna take this. I've been out of it. Oh, and I brought my vitamins, probiotics. So, you guys know I like to have this with some water, and I drink it with, I take my vitamins with it. But before I do all of that, I'm gonna sip some tea. Baby cakes. And I'm cold, so this is nice and like warm and cozy. I just love all the cozy vibes. We're having a cozy year, 2026. It's cozy. Everything cozy. Where's Nani at? Oh, hi Nani. This mug is from Greece. Nani's eating yogurt. You want your Pop-Tart? So I brought over like Kai snacks and things too. This is it's a Pop-Tart, but it's by like Nature's Path. It's like a healthier like vibe, but it's so good. It's an acai. Look how pretty. Cute. I'm about to eat this up for him. But yeah, it's just like a healthier little option for him. But I heat it up in the microwave for like 15 seconds. Here. Yummy.
Is it Pop-Tart?
Yeah. Is it yummy?
Yes. You need to take a
Mommy's drinking tea.
Mom's drinking tea. He got a little blue door.
It is a little blue door.
Another blue door.
What?
Another blue door.
What else? And a red window or a red door?
With the blue one in the yellow park. All the spiders.
Yeah.
A big one. It was a big one.
A big spider?
Uh,
That smells amazing.
it is amazing.
Keep the holiday spirit. Use a little Christmas. Yummy. Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
I'm excited for you. You haven't talked to them in a while. What do you want to talk to them about? Oh, that was a lot. I don't know what just happened.
I love my makeup.
Oh, wait. Love you.
Oh,
I love you.
where's the big spider go?
It's not a big spider. There's no big spider.
Why not?
Guess who's coming over? Auntie Ashley's coming over, and Nina.
I'm so excited to come.
I'm about to start the vibes. I'm so tired.
You're not so tired.
I'll pump up with some energy once the coffee gets in my blood. That's kind of crazy, but it's okay.
Why'd
We
you
love her.
cry?
My head above the water. Finally I can breathe again. Lost in the waves I wander, but in your eyes I see no pain. You're a holiday, a break from the rain. Sipping your sunshine, come take me away. In the water, finally I can breathe again. You're a dream, 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 dream. Standing in your presence, carry me away, honey. A dream, 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 dream. Make me lose my senses, carry me away, away. A dream, dream, dream. Come take me away. I see a new horizon. My 2 feet steady on the ground. With you I found my reason. Yeah, to keep chasing what we found. You're a holiday, a break from the rain. Sipping your sunshine, come take me away. New horizon, finally I can see again. You're a dream, 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 dream. Standing in your presence, carry me away, honey. A dream, dream.